So, you've got an amazing product, but your sales are not as great as you wanted them to be? Then you need to use ManyChat Bot marketing for your Amazon business. It's a perfect way to promote your products using coupon distribution giveaway, rebate giveaway, buy one get one free promotions, QR inserts for your products, gain more reviews, rank your products to the top of the first page, and build your own customer list outside of Amazon using ManyChat Bot. Hi, my name is Tatiana. I'm an experienced Amazon seller and chatbot builder, particularly for selling on Amazon. I'm proactive in my research and always eager to try new strategies and custom projects. I have proven results, strategies, and lots of tips and tricks to help you take your Amazon business to the next level. I keep my prices affordable, and I always provide outstanding customer support, on-time delivery, and a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Don't hesitate. Contact me today and let's discuss your project.